everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair and welcome back to another video. So we are on location. We are in Cornwall on holiday. I've had a couple of glasses of wine, but me and Bailey wanted to show you how to do heatless curls. So we're going to show you how to do the heatless curls, and tomorrow morning we're going to show you what they look like. So let's get started. So we've got a dressing gown cord. Now what I'm going to do is just place that. So I've kept Bailey's part like that, a normal part line, and I'm just going to place it over the front there. And if Bailey, you can hold that for 1 minute, darling. Okay, so just move your arm a little bit. So heatless curls, I'm going to take that first section. Now this is actually nice and brushed out, but if it's not, make sure you just brush your sections out. I'm going to take that section, lift up 1 second, Boo. Thank you, darling. I'm going to take it over the top of the dressing gown cord and then back underneath for that first section of hair. Then I'm going to grab another piece, again brush it out. We're taking it over the top of the dressing gown cord and back underneath again. Now if you don't brush out these sections, you're going to get really frizzy curls, so just make sure it's nice and smooth. So taking another section, sorry Bailey, just knock your hearing aid. Yeah. Another section of hair. You can spray these lightly with water as well if the hair doesn't curl that easily. Bailey's hair curls really easily, but if it doesn't hold a curl, just spray lightly with water on each section. And you're going to do this all the way to the nape of the neck. So I'm just going to keep working my way to the nape of the neck. Now I'm actually not going to bring it too low, so I'm not going to let it sit there, because otherwise the hair is going to be straight all the way to here. So I'm actually going to bring it a little bit higher, so sort of like halfway between the crown and the nape there. So we're just grabbing the sections. Now I'm actually keeping quite a lot of tension in the hair, because that's really going to help the curl tomorrow morning when we take it out. So you'll just go to halfway on the head, so right to the middle of the hair. So once I've got to the middle of the hair, guys, I'm just going to continue wrapping that hair around. Now, to secure this hair, you can either use a hair tie or like a bobble, but I'm actually going to be using hair wrap because I don't want this hair to pop out at the bottom. So I'm just winding it around that dressing gown cord all the way. So this is the hair wrap. It looks like kind of like sellotape. So I'm just placing that hair wrap on the hair, and I'm just going to wind it around. But like I say, I have done this with just a normal hair tie or bobble. So that's kind of like stuck to itself. So I'm going to let that go, and I'm not going to worry if it kind of unwraps a little bit. We're going to do the same on the other side, and then I'm going to show you how to secure it. So I've done the other side, and I'm just going to twist these towards the head to tighten them up again, and then going to cross them over at the back. I'm going to bring these dressing gown cords up, and then going to tie the front of them. And then just tie a knot in the back. And then I'm just going to kind of tuck these ends in so it's like really comfortable to sleep in. You okay there, Boo?
Yeah.
There's one. So as you can see, all the hair's secure, and we will see you in the morning to show you how to take it out and get pretty curls. Okay, so we are the next morning. Me and Bailey have just woke up, so excuse the croaky voice. I'm going to turn Bailey round. She managed to sleep in it all night and it stayed in. So I'm just going to gently take this out. Now these hair wraps here, I'm just going to cut them. So what you're going to do is just gently start to unwrap this hair. Hopefully it's worked. Sorry about the wind, guys, but it's been gorgeous weather all week, and then the one day that I decide to film, it's really windy. It is warm, Bailey, yeah, you're right. So as you can see, it's definitely worked. So last little bits. Look how cute these curls are. Ooh, Bailey. Oh my gosh. I know. So now guys, you can decide if you want to just keep the curls as they are, or you kind of want to separate them. I'm just separating them up a little bit. Very pretty, Bailey. Pretty curls they are. How tempted were you to go, I got pretty curls.
That's all I could hear.
So that is mine and Bailey's holiday video finished. I'm going to have a little play now. I'm going to take some pictures. I'm going to leave them like this, and I'm also going to see what they look like brushed out as well. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next week for another one. Bye.